Regarding the project to be sanctioned 21-22, that is to be important road widening to 2-lane with earthen shoulder of Yangupukipi to Jasami Road, that is 86 km. The cost is 1,148 crore. 100% I am going to declare this project, I am sanctioning it, and immediately we will start it. Then Langdang Choithu to Shiryu, package 5th, that is of 150 crore. Then longer to Longipuri, it is again we are going to start it. There is a lot of list with me, and 100%. The project cost is 10,671 crore. I will put up all this information on my website and giving it to the media because I don't want to repeat it. Now regarding CRF, it is also the important thing. I am going to look into it that how we can modify the scheme by which without your utility certificate we can spend some money to you. That will be a rolling fund and by which we can resolve your problem. I also making announcement of model inspection and certification center in Manipur for vehicle scrapping policy. We aim to reduce the pollution, and that is the reason that particularly for Manipur we are making the testing centers for that, and I am going to sanction it, that automated fitness center across India in every district. I am giving it to Manipur. I request Honorable Chief Minister to make it started as early as possible. The lot of bridge works are going on. There are total 4 bridges of costing 250 crores. We are already making it. Some of the VIP references are with me from Honorable Chief Minister regarding improvement work from Mao to Myanmar border Asian Highway. The said project is divided in 3 packages. Land acquisition LOA is issued in 2 packages and one is sanctioned in January 21, which will be awarded soon. Regarding construction of elevated highway, this is the important subject because the Chief Minister will meet me in Delhi, especially insist on it. This is of 25 kilometer elevated highway in Impal. Honorable Member of Parliament is here, also he has given me the letter. Today I am sanctioned this project. The cost of the project is 5,000 crore. But we are starting DPR. We will immediately complete the DPR and 100% in annual plan. We are increased it up to 5,000 crore. So the project money is sanctioned now. Complete the DPR and immediately go for the tender. Immediately I will come here for Bhumi Pujan for that.